This is 20 things you need to know about the music industry, especially Blackpink and Arctic Monkeys. This is for your GCSE AQA Media Studies. Blackpink is signed to YG Entertainment, a major South Korean music label. The track How You Like That was released in 2020. The song blends pop, EDM and also elements of hip hop, and plus adding that signature K-pop style to the song. The video broke YouTube records with 86.3 million views in 24 hours. Blackpink use vertical integration. YG controls training, music productions and promotion. Global success came through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and international collaborations. The song's message is actually about empowerment and resilience. The music video features high-budget visuals and cinematic set designs. Blackpink are global brand ambassadors for companies like Chanel and Adidas, which uses classic media synergy. Their success reflects how non-Western artists have dominated global charts using new media platforms. Arctic Monkeys released this breakout track in 2005. They were signed to Domino Records, a well-known independent label. The band gained fame through Myspace and fan sharing before social media marketing became standard. The track reached #1 in the UK singles chart, which is a massive success for an indie band. The video is designed to look like a 1970s Top of the Pops performance and also borrowing elements from the old grey whistle test. Their approach rejected traditional label promotions, giving fans early demos directly. This is an example of how online communities help launch careers before streaming. The band represents working class youth culture, especially in Northern England. Domino Records offered the band more creative control, typical for indie labels. Arctic Monkeys helped redefine how music could be distributed and discovered in the digital age. Blackpink and Arctic Monkeys, two totally different sounds, but both show how music marketing, platforms and audiences have changed over 20 years. Know this for your GCSE Media Studies exam. I wish you all the success. Take care.